Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already saved a macro-enabled copy. Now act. Open the Developer tab and confirm macros are allowed in Trust Center because Excel blocks automation otherwise. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor, then choose Insert Module. Once done, paste a short macro that loops through worksheets and writes names into a new sheet. This step creates the searchable index you need. Do not skip enabling macros, since the code won't run without that permission. Run the macro to generate a new sheet called index with every worksheet name in column A. The macro can also insert hyperlink like equals hyperlink, hash and A2 and A1, A2. Once done, convert the list to an Excel table so you can use the built-in filter. If you have Office 365, add a dynamic search cell with filter to show matching names as you type. Make sure each hyperlink points to the correct sheet. Test a few to confirm navigation. Now use the search field or filter to narrow sheet names. Click any hyperlink to jump instantly to that sheet. For quick partial matches, press Ctrl plus F while on the index sheet and search within that column. If you prefer automation-free methods, build the list using equals cell. File name, A1 together with text formulas to extract names, then refresh manually. If something fails, check macros disabled is the most common issue. Enable them or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.